In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful tool called Floyo.ai that allows you to run ComfyUI without installing anything. No models, configurations, or dependencies required. Nothing. We will walk through two specific samples, generating a high-quality image using Nano Banana and creating a basic video using 2.6, which is currently one of the newest and most powerful video models available. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's explore the platform, Floyo.ai. Features a massive library of community-made workflows organized into categories like filmmaking, animation, e-commerce, and fashion. As we can see here on the top, they also have this spotlight session which features the one most popular downloads. This kind of organization makes it incredibly easy to find a specific post-production or creative workflows for your projects. Basically, Floyo.ai puts the full framework of ComfyUI in your browser, allowing you to run or even collaborate on workflows with other creators. Okay, for our first speed test, we will use the Set Image Turbo model. And actually, I have another video where I feature this set image model and show you how to run it locally. You can click here to watch more. Okay, so let's take this ready-made workflow which features set image, which is one of the fastest models available at the moment. We have these tons of different models that we can use to create images, such as Flux, Quen, and also this set image. Okay, and here we leave the same prompt and just click on generate. Wow, it generates this image in less than 10 seconds. It's super fast. You can even save it or load your own custom workflows directly on your profile. As we can see here, everything keeps organized when you save it. It saves in this folder called files. And in here, the image is saved in outputs. Okay, now let's look for another example using the Nano Banana model, which we will use for our main exercise. Okay, so here we're just gonna look for a workflow to use Nano Banana. So here, as we can see, they have this community section, and here we can look for keywords, or if you follow a creator, you can just look for the creator. And here we type Nano Banana, and I found this one, so we click here. So in this case, you don't have to download a single file. Everything is preloaded on the platform. And here we open the workflow, and as you can see, the interface works exactly like a local ComfyUI setup. Okay, and here in Nano Banana, we have this drop-down menu, which you can choose. These are images from the community, but also you can upload your own image. I uploaded my own reference image and adjusted the aspect ratio and output format. It's important to note that Floyo uses a credit system. A standard generation costs about 50 cents, though high-resolution 4K outputs will double that price. And for this example, let's put here in the prompt to create a cinematographic night image with some city background, lights, and lens flares. Okay, while the generation runs, it's worth to tell that Floyo.ai gives you some credits for free to begin. Also, they have these different packages, as we can see here on the screen. All these packages uses an NVIDIA H100 GPUs with 94 gigabytes of VRAM. This is a massive amount of memory, means that you'll never see out-of-memory errors, even with the heaviest workflows. And this is a game changer for those of us working on laptops with a powerful dedicated graphics card. Using Floyo feels like carrying a supercomputer with you because everything is processed in the cloud. Okay, our Nano Banana result is perfect. It captured the lighting and the seating atmosphere exactly as requested. Okay, let's do our final example. Let's try generating a video using 1.2.6. This model is so new, it's barely even available elsewhere, but you can run it here without any problem. And for this example, we do the same thing. We just go to the community section. Okay, and here, as we can see, we found this one, the first one with this girl. And this workflow uses 1.2.6, which also can generate videos with audio. Okay, and here we have our workflow already open. And here, the same as the Nano Banana workflow, we have this drop-down menu, which we can select different videos. And so for this generation, to make it very fast, we just choose the one that is for default, the one with the girl walking. And then let's see the prompt. We leave the prompt as it is, and we click on generate. And here we have the results.
欢迎你，我的朋友。
Wow,
欢迎你，
nice.
我的朋友。
For some reason, I'm not sure why I made this audio in Chinese, but it's okay. The generation process is smooth, and once finished, you can find all your files neatly organized in the outputs folder on the platform. Okay, and with this, it's a wrap up for this video. I'm gonna continue doing videos in this platform to show you more features, because it has a lot of things we can explore. So this is just an intro video to show you what Floyo.ai can do for you. So this is just an intro video. Expect more videos about this platform. Okay, and a huge thank you to Floyo team for the credits to test these tools. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications on my new videos. Also, if you need any help with any creative or AI project, my contact details are in the description below. LinkedIn is the best way to reach me. Also, if you generate videos or audio or images using AI, I invite you to watch this other video where I analyze whether to get a subscription AI platform like this one or invest in a local machine. You can click here to watch more. Okay, and that's it for me now. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.